Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is financial planning. With more people looking to manage their money wisely, there's a growing demand for financial planners who can help them achieve their goals. If you're good with numbers and enjoy helping others, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour for financial planning services. To get started, offer your services to friends and family or create online courses. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a high-paying niche. Next is market research. Businesses need insights into their target audience, and that's where you come in. As a market researcher, you'll gather and analyze data to help companies make informed decisions. Start by learning tools like Google Surveys or SurveyMonkey. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for market research services. To stand out, focus on delivering actionable insights and clear reports. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. Third is branding and identity design. Every business needs a strong brand to stand out, and if you're creative and detail-oriented, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per project, depending on the scope. To get started, build a portfolio with sample projects and showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Fourth is tech support. As more businesses go remote, the demand for tech support specialists is skyrocketing. If you're good at troubleshooting and problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of common software and hardware issues. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for tech support services. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also reach out to small businesses that need IT help. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Finally, let's talk about e-commerce store setup. Many entrepreneurs want to sell products online, but don't know how to set up their stores. If you're tech savvy and enjoy problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per store setup, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering user-friendly stores. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose financial planning, market research, branding and identity design, tech support, or e-commerce store setup, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.